And viewers, today we are going to tackle this question. The question says 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 640. So, looking at this type of question, we can now apply the law of indices here. Recall that the first law says a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n equals to a raised to the power of m plus n. But now, though the bases are equal, but there's no multiplication between them. So in that case, what we are going to apply will be 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to, we can break this down, 64 can be 64 times 10. So we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y will give us 64 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 6 times, and this 10 can be written as 5. The 10 can be written as 5 times 2. 5 times 2. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 times 2 raised to the power of 1 times 5. Okay, just rearranging it, bringing 2 here and taking 5 to the other side. So we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y will give us 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 1 because the bases are equal. So that gives us 7 times 5 can also be written as 4 plus 1, right? So now we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7 open bracket 4 plus 1. So I'm going to open the bracket by saying 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y will give us 2 raised to the power of 7 open bracket 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 0. Remember, any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So from here, we can now say 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to, then let's open the bracket. So this becomes 2 raised to the power of 7 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 7 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So we can now have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y will give us, now we can apply the first law here that says when the bases are equal and there's multiplication between them, you add up the powers. So when you add 7 plus 2, it will give us 9. So we have 2 raised to the power of 9 plus, then 7 plus 0 will give us 7. So 2 raised to the power of 7. So by comparison, so if you compare, you will see that 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 9 plus 2 raised to the power of 7. So therefore, we can conclude that x equals to 9 and y equals to 7. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow all our social media for quality contents like this. Thank you.